Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all? Hope you are doing good. Today, let's learn about our country, India. Children, just as your parents look after you at home, government look after the needs, welfare and the safety of the people. The government frames laws or rules to run the country. It is the government which decides where to build schools, roads, hospitals, parks, stadiums, stations and ports. Government also provides services like electricity, water, telephone and communications. There are two types of governments in India, central government and the state government. The central government looks after the safety and the welfare of the whole country.
India.
It is in New Delhi,
We,
the capital of India.
choose the members of central
We, the
government.
people of India, choose the members of the central government. The president, prime minister and other ministers form the central government. This country is divided into smaller parts or states. Each state has its own government. There are 28 states in our country as Jammu and Kashmir is converted to Union Territory in the year 2019. Each state has its own capital. In a state, there is a governor, chief minister and other ministers and senior government officers who together runs the government. Besides these states, there are 7 smaller areas which are directly under the control of central government. They are known as union territories. Among them, Andaman and Nicobar is the biggest and Lakshadweep is the smallest. Delhi is a union territory with the status of the National Capital Territory. Did you know? In 1956, India had only 14 states and 6 union territories. The states were further divided on the basis of the language spoken. And now we have 28 states and 9 union territories. Now, let us learn about the states of India and their capitals. First comes Andhra Pradesh. Amaravati is its capital. Arunachal Pradesh, which is in the east, Itanagar is its capital. Assam. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Bihar. Patna is its capital. Chhattisgarh. Raipur is its capital. Goa, which is the smallest state in India, Panaji is its capital. Gujarat. Gandhinagar is its capital. Haryana. Chandigarh is its capital. Himachal Pradesh. Shimla is its capital. Jharkhand, Ranchi is its capital. Karnataka, Bengaluru is its capital. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram acts as its capital. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal is its capital. Maharashtra, Mumbai is its capital. Manipur, Imphal is its capital. Meghalaya, Shillong is its capital. Mizoram, Aizawl is its capital. Nagaland, Kohima is its capital. Odisha, which is also known as Orissa, Bhubaneswar is its capital. Punjab, Chandigarh is its capital. Rajasthan, which is the largest state in our country, Jaipur is its capital. Sikkim, Gangtok is its capital. Tamil Nadu, Chennai is its capital. Telangana, Hyderabad is its capital. Tripura, Agartala is its capital. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow is its capital. Uttarakhand, Dehradun is its capital. West Bengal, Kolkata is its capital. Let's see about Union Territories of India. Andaman and Nicobar, Port Blair is its capital. Chandigarh, it itself acts as its capital. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa is its capital. New Delhi itself acts as its capital. Daman and Diu, Daman is its capital. Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu is its capital. Lakshadweep, Kavaratti is its capital. Ladakh, Leh acts as its capital. Puducherry, Puducherry itself is its capital. Thus about states and capitals of our country. Hope you remember this, right? Okay. See, we may live in different states, but we are all Indian. That's unity in diversity. Every time we should be one. We are all one. According to the hadith, Hubbul Watani Minal Iman, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, love your country and it is a part of your faith. A true Muslim loves his country dearly. Patriotism is a great virtue. Next, let's see about the neighboring countries of India. First, let's see in the northwest, Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest. And India is surrounded in the north by Nepal, Bhutan and China. And in the eastern side by Bangladesh and Myanmar. Comes to south, Sri Lanka and Maldives Island. So, it is surrounded by 8 countries. Hope you understood. Thank you. Jazakallahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.